Hello, this is Brett from SurvivalComms, and welcome back to Cocktail Hour with SurvivalComms, where we create our favorite festive cocktails. Over the weekend at Hamcation 2019, I was introduced to a new cocktail that I want to share with all of you today because I think all of you will find it extremely interesting and delicious. This particular cocktail is based upon the Manhattan, which is one of our classic whiskey cocktails. This cocktail is called the Tipsy Pig. So we start out when we create the Tipsy Pig with our rocks glass. We add our traditional 4-ounce pour of bourbon whiskey. Take our shaker, load our shaker with ice. Add our whiskey. Then add 1 ounce of sweet vermouth, which is traditional with your Manhattan. Now where we kick it up a notch is we add 1.5 ounces of brown sugar bacon simple syrup. And this is something you make yourself, and the recipe will be in the video description. Now we add bitters. Shake the cocktail like you mean it. Dispense. Add our ice ball. And our unique garnish, which is a strip of bacon and 2 maraschino cherries. Serve with a classy cocktail napkin. Enjoy. I hope this helps. This is Brett from SurvivalComms. Till next time.